Welcome to the introduction of AI. I'm Saka, your instructor for this session. This is part 2 of lesson 1 in this series, and today, we're going on a fun and exciting journey into the world of AI, specifically focusing on machine learning and deep learning. Think of this as your first step into a world where computers learn like us. This is how AI gets faster, better, and more efficient. This also increases its capabilities and development. So, let's dive right in. What is machine learning, or ML? Imagine you're teaching your dog to fetch. You show it what to do, and with practice it gets better. Machine learning is very similar. It's a part of AI where computers learn from data, just like how you learn from your experiences and get better. How it works? Well, computers use special methods, or algorithms, to find patterns in information, or data. It's like finding a common theme in your favorite songs or movies. Why it's cool. It helps in making smart decisions. For example, Netflix uses it to recommend movies you might like. A lot of streaming companies use this type of AI to learn what their customers like to watch in order to create a better user experience for their customers and for them to come back and use these services. What is deep learning, or DL? It's a special part of machine learning that goes deeper in learning and development stages. It can be complex if you don't understand the dynamics of deep learning, but it's not too difficult to learn. It's like a smarter version of machine learning. It uses something called neural networks, which are designed to mimic our brain's way of thinking. Layers of learning. Think of it as a multi-layered cake with different layers of ingredients. Each layer learns something different. For instance, in a photo, one layer might recognize colors, another shapes, and another layer might recognize faces. Real-world use case. It's used in cool stuff like voice assistants, like Siri, and self-driving cars. Another example is in tech company called Metavis. Here's a video demonstration of their latest AI development. They use deep learning to study the brain and learn surgical procedures for their AI tool called Surgical AR. A revolutionary tool to aid doctors in surgery using AI and AR, or augmented reality, for preoperative planning and best procedures to enhance safety and better postoperative results while minimize risk to the patient. This technology innovation will impact the medical field and will revolutionize the medical industry, all possible with deep learning as well as machine learning. We're about halfway done with this session, so let's get right to it. Machine learning versus deep learning. Think of it this way: one is simple and the other is complex. Machine learning is like learning to ride a bike, simple to learn. While deep learning is like learning to drive a car, more complex and powerful. Both are different learning mechanisms with different learning ranges. Data requirements. Machine learning can work with less data, but deep learning needs a large amount of data to be smart. Computing power. Needs. Machine learning is a light eater of computer power and can be trained on a CPU, but deep learning requires large amount of computer power to work well and needs a specialized GPU to train. Both learning models are different compared to how they learn and their capabilities, but they are also similar in other aspects such as techniques, algorithms, and statistical basis. Here's some fun facts. Did you know? Deep learning statistics show an impressive 94.4% accuracy in detecting lung cancer. Early screening reduces mortality up to 45%. Did you know? Netflix has saved over $1 billion by implementing machine learning through its personalized Netflix recommendation engine. There are online courses you can take for further education. Coursera has a great guide called Deep Learning versus Machine Learning, a beginner's guide. It's a fantastic place to start if you want to dive deeper. It explains these concepts in a fun and easy way, perfect for beginners like us. We're coming to the end of this session of AI. There's a lot of information about machine learning and deep learning. What's important is how you understand the basics and fundamentals before taking advanced courses. Remember, this is just the start. There's a whole exciting world of AI out there waiting for you to explore. How about some fun and simple homework for you to do? Find one example of AI in your daily life. It could be YouTube recommendations or a game you play. Think about whether it might be using machine learning or deep learning. Share your thoughts next time. Remember, learning AI is like learning a new language. It might seem tricky at first, but with curiosity and practice, you'll get the hang of it. Keep exploring and have fun. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for informative and educational content, and see you in the next session.